And then today, the first day of Monsoon Awareness Week. Coming up, some tips on what you need to do with your car before the rain ever starts falling.
Monsoon season still a week away, April, but it's never too early to start getting ready for those storms. And Kaylee is out front in a car ready to go to, I don't know, California.
Let's go.
All right, sounds good.
You know, I like what you said it was last week because we start the show at 4:30. If we time out the show, right, starting at 4:30 all the way to 10, we could be in California.
Pretty much.
Okay, so we could all cruise along together.
I like those wheels.
Isn't this a sweet ride? I wish I could say it was mine. It's not. It's Howard Fleischman's. And he is here this morning. It is the beginning of Monsoon Awareness Week. And if you're a newcomer to the state of Arizona, there are some things you need to know about. If you've been here for years like we have, you still need to be reminded. Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, you do.
Because you can get caught off guard very easily when that first storm hits.
You bet. Wiper blades.
Yes.
You know, let's not wait until
that happens.
The first monsoon comes and we take out a windshield because we haven't replaced our wiper blades.
And it does happen. I mean, you might be thinking, oh, come on. It does happen.
Oh, no, all the time. And you've got to have that visibility. When that monsoon hits, you need that visibility.
It is so true. Let's talk about tires.
Tires. We need good tread. We need a good footprint. If you don't have a good footprint, you're not going to be able to control that car. Remember, when that first rain hits, all that oil is going to come to the surface.
Is there a rule of thumb? I mean, you know that old trick like you take a penny or a nickel or something?
Well, it used to be a penny, but because of inflation, we've gone to a quarter. But if you can see the top of the president's head when you set it in the tread, it tells you the tire's just about worn out.
Okay. Brakes are another biggie.
Brakes are another biggie. When you go through a puddle or go through any water that's more than a couple inches thick or deep, always touch your brake pedal and make sure that you clear the fluid away, because that water will get between your brake pad and your disc rotor.
You also need to be aware of something that's called the stupid motorist law.
Yes, you do.
We have it here in Arizona, and you can get nailed. You'll have to pay.
Well, not only do you have a
rescued.
fine, but you've got to pay for the rescue expense.
It's crazy.
It's not worth it.
Talk to me about lights.
Lights. Make sure all the lights are working on your vehicle so that you're safe. Again, visibility. Visibility is very important. If your front headlights are getting fogged over because of the Arizona heat and sun, have them cleaned up. It's something you can do at home, or you can have a professional shop do it.
These dust storms that we have here are massive. I mean, once we have them too, the next day, these things are talked about all over the world. That's how incredible they are.
You betcha.
This is a tip that it was one of those aha moments. Where you park, if you don't park in a garage overnight, right, you really need to be thinking about this.
You bet. If you get underneath a tree or underneath brush, you're going to get all that stuff on the cowling of the front of your car, and that's all going to be sucked into the air system inside.
Or if a tree gets knocked down, that's no fun either.
Even if a tree comes down.
We've seen that. Howard, thanks.
Thank you.
Good information this morning. We're going to put more tips up on our hotline.